All right, if you've got a GDO8 garage roller door opener, this one's the GDO8 version 3, one of the later models. I assume it's been on this door for quite some time. It's a bit weathered, but it is a weatherproof opener. Now all your controls are underneath on this one. You've got minus, plus, force margin, set, operate, set, and door code for your remotes. Now if you've got the orange light that's stationary on right here, the orange LED, or you're having any trouble with your GDO8 roller door opener, whilst the door is closed, and just make sure you've got the red close limit light on there next to the minus button. The minus button is the close, plus is the open. So what you want to do is go ahead and hold down the button that says set. So hold that down, and the door will go up and down and remap itself. So we'll press that in. So now the roller door is going to go up and down, completely open, and then close on its own and remap the motor. So now it's going down all on its own. So what that does, it remaps the sensitivity, double checks the limits, and pretty much gets rid of your orange service light there. So I came out here and the customer's remotes weren't working. The door's actually in pretty good running condition. Just needed a small tune-up, bit of lubrication on the axles and the springs, clean the tracks out, and we've just held down that set button, done a reset, and the motor and remotes start working again. Yeah, so if you've got a GDO8 roller door opener, that's how you fix a few issues that it has electronically, and that's how you get rid of the service light as well if your remotes or operate button doesn't work. Now we're all good.
I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.